What's up, family? Welcome to Ddins Xperience. So welcome back, and if you're new to the channel, here we do food recipes and tips and much more. Also, if you're new to the channel, we have Ariel Taylor, who is not, which, happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
And she is the CEO of ARIEALTAYLOR and Glittery Cocoa, the creator and producer of YouTube channel Ariel Taylor, and is the podcaster of Oh Glittery Goodness. So happy Mother's Day to Ariel Taylor, and how are you doing today?
I am well, thank you. How are you?
I'm chilling. And as you guys can see here, we have the Belgian waffles and fried chicken mukbang, our first mukbang. People and everybody have been asking me to do one for the past year, so we're gonna go ahead and have Belgian waffles and fried chicken. So before we get into the actual mukbang, I want to ask some things to Ariel. So before we get started, so tell us a little bit about your YouTube channel. What is your YouTube channel focused on?
My YouTube channel is actually focused around lifestyle blogging, some fashion, and just daily life, like real life things. You know, a couple of reviews here and there.
Okay.
Lots of excitement.
Okay. And it is Mother's Day, and happy Mother's Day to you all. So how many children do you mother?
6.
6 children. And from my understanding, you had them all natural.
Yes, I did.
Cool. And what is that experience like? I'm about to go ahead and start smashing. Can you pass that?
You want this?
Yeah.
It's definitely I don't know, it was a beautiful experience, a beautiful connection, I guess, with me and each baby.
Okay. Would you do it again?
Inshallah, it doesn't happen again.
And by the way, family, this is homemade strawberry syrup.
Sauce.
Strawberry sauce. Now look at me. So there you have it.
It smells so good.
Yes. Homemade strawberry syrup or sauce. One of Ariel's recipes that she made. You can go check that. I think you have a video out with this. What that was that? Is that on your channel as well?
Yep, I have a video coming out with this. Yep. The sauce. I'm supposed to say that it's already out,
or is it? Well,
it'll be out, but it's not out yet. Chewy.
Real good.
I'm just glad you got them choppers done. So you can chop.
Look, I don't know, this is gonna be new for me because when I smash. So I'm gonna try to keep this going. Yeah, go ahead. Try to eat this whole thing, I don't know. Well, I'm pretty sure during the video, you guys are gonna get to see what we're actually eating. I didn't want to put a plate up, so. So what else?
We should have put up the other camera too.
What? Next video.
Okay. I didn't think about that, but maybe for the sound. I don't even know where to. This is good.
Plus they can't see when we're putting it out. But yeah, hey, it's kind of difficult trying to keep a conversation going while you're smashing, but it's all right. I hope everybody's having a good Mother's Day so far.
So good.
Yeah.
This is so good. I like the way you made the
Belgian waffles.
cream.
Thank you. As you guys can see, the cream on top of our Belgian waffle. As most of you know, I love cheesecake. So that's cheesecake filling on top of our Belgian waffles. Of course, with the strawberry and homemade strawberry syrup or sauce, as Ariel Taylor call it.
You did such a good job.
Let me guys know. Do you guys want to see more mukbangs? Is it called ASMR? Those videos are doing well. I didn't realize how much people like to hear other people eat. It sounds like food porn to me, if you guys understand what I'm saying. So, I guess it is a little intriguing to hear what we sound like when we're eating. It do sound like porn. So,
Do it, bro.
it do. I don't know. You listen to those, haven't you? You watched them. Yeah.
Like, bitch. I'm like, what? It's time to watch you eat these crabs. I'm living vicariously through you eating these crabs. Okay. Who's your favorite mukbanger to watch? Do you watch them?
I've seen Kali Muscle do mukbang. Don't be jealous. Hey, Kali Muscle, man. I can't wait till, hey, maybe we could link up one day, man. Have you on the channel too.
I'm making chicken noodle up. I have another one. Remember me and Mari, true story. Me and Mari was hungry. You know, we're not supposed to like eat seafood and stuff. So, you ain't gotta tell me we weren't supposed to eat seafood first. But me and Mari was watching these people eat this seafood. And then we watched these people eat. What was it? It was like a mom and daughter eating something.
What was all that?
It was in the back. That's when me and her decided to do that mukbang, and we did a waffle mukbang.
Quick facts. When was Mother's Day originated? May 12th, 1907. Anna Jarvis originated Mother's Day on May 12th, 1907. She held a memorial service at her late mother's church in Grafton, West Virginia. Her mother had organized women's groups to promote friendship and health. Pretty cool. You learn something new every day. Okay, let's get back to this mukbang.
I like that quick fact though. I'm just saying, like, it makes sense. That Mother's Day, the Mother's Day mukbang. I mean the Mother's Day brunches and stuff. It makes sense of why, because you know she wanted to celebrate women. Right on. I appreciate it. You know, because that Echo Dot my name.
That's what she wants for her Mother's Day, you guys.
Echo Dot is calling my name.
If you don't know, I probably have it. I'm gonna tell you. Nah, but that'd be too soon to tell you.
What is Mother's Day? When is Mother's Day? So, can I talk about the hot challenge that we about to do or no? Okay, so I was trying to avoid doing this challenge. Okay, like me and my husband, we be sitting there, we be just be watching all kind of crazy stuff that show up in our suggested, right? So we end up watching some old crazy stuff. Okay, I think we were watching something about a guy who made hot peppers. Why am I remembering a barn that had a bunch of chickens die in it. Do you remember that?
No.
Somebody, like, the oxygen got turned off. What the heck? Okay, anyways, I don't know why I'm remembering that now, but the hot peppers, the man who mixes the hot peppers and he makes one grow and with the other one.
You're talking about the Tiger King. What are you talking about, the Tiger King and one of them people?
No, this was a man in the middle of a field. We was watching the show and he makes the peppers intertwine with each other.
Oh, okay.
And so that's what makes the hot ghost pepper. And then from that show, we ended up watching during that particular segment, it was a show with the girl that we seen on YouTube too, with the hot, you know. Well, anyways, we watching that, and I'm like, man, how do they do that? Because like people's mouths like be like foaming and they be throwing up and stuff. So, he got me kind of blown with this. What was it? What is it called? Hot chocolate, spicy chocolate challenge.
White Lightning.
White Lightning.
Now we got a White Lightning taste test coming up, you guys. Actually, we're going to be filming that 2 days from today. So I hope you will. I don't know when it's going to be released, but hopefully you guys like it. We'll tell you more about that video then. Yeah.
I can't even know.
But so far, so now back to Ariel Taylor, the mother of 6, my wife. However, when do you plan on launching Glittery Cocoa and Obriology? You didn't speak much about Glittery Cocoa.
Glittery Cocoa is a brand that I have, I really put my own personal touch on it. So when it comes to like making art on a consistent basis, because of my 6 children, it's a little bit difficult to do. So I had to kind of take that brand.
Her 6 children.
I had to kind of take the brand in a different direction because I do hand make everything and like, you know, paint and stuff. So right now with Glittery Cocoa, we do have a few items, you know, available, but I haven't hit like large scale yet. So okay, so like the art is more so centered, focused around body image, body positivity, you know, confidence, self-love, and I like to showcase bodies, women, you know, in particular, how our bodies are different. You know, how our bodies start off one way and then they change, and over time, you know, like as women get more confident as they get older, because and through like life experiences and stuff. Okay. So, you know, that's what my art is about, more so in like the decor and stuff I make.
But there you guys have it. So a mother of 6, a wife, an entrepreneur, so you're gonna have 2 businesses, a YouTube channel, and a podcast. You're doing a great job. Happy Mother's Day. And I hope you guys are all having a good happy Mother's Day and having a relaxed time. You guys, please stay tuned. We have another video coming up. We got some sweets that we like to show you guys. Ddins Delectable Moments. She came up with the name. And also, I want to share with you guys on Mother's Day also that this woman is also my artist, my thumbnail artist. I told you guys that would be a secret. Most people don't know that she is an artist, so now she told you that Glittery Cocoa is a part of her art. Now you know that my artist is my wife as well. Okay? So we didn't get through all the food, but however,
I did get like 4 pieces of chicken though. Oh, you ate all those waffles?
Yeah, my waffles is gone.
You never
We still got the, but you know what? Hey, you guys, we're gonna do the thumbnail picture right here with you guys. You want to take the thumbnail picture? Here, I'm gonna take a piece of chicken.
Okay, let me hold the waffle. That looked too messy.
Ready? Hey, it's okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Why I tell you about doing that? I told you.
Hey.
You ain't learned from that little wing that was sticking out?
Right. I will say this.
I think this chicken is good. gotta try one of your chickens with a hot sauce so you can talk about the hot sauce.
What you mean?
Check out the hot sauce video.
Oh, okay. So if you guys haven't, I have these up here because these are part of my hot sauce collections. If you haven't, please go check out my Desert Heat hot sauce collection video where I taste test all 4 of these hot sauces and let you know how I think they differ in scale from least hottest to the greatest. So check that video out. I'm gonna leave that also in the description below.
I think they got more potent.
And if you guys also want to see, also with this Easter egg, you guys are also going to see her do the taste test of that Easter egg as well today on Mother's Day. So we're trying to come out with a couple videos for you guys, keep you guys entertained, all right? Again, I want to say thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell to bottom right and hit all. Share this video with at least one of your friends. Let's make it to our next 5,000 Ddins. Until our next food adventure, peace.
So cute.